Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Got something pretty special up in front of us right now. This is a 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon X. It's going to be featured in the Mojito Pearl Coat. And Rick and Forrest just got done with a little custom build on this beast. So we did a little lift, got some aftermarket wheels and larger tires. We'll kind of discuss some optional, equipment that came with the vehicle from the factory, and then we'll discuss, some of the aftermarket upgrades that were fitted right here at Cross Jeep. But for starters, you got the front steel bumper with the fog lights, LED lighting, got the front trail cam. This one also is going to feature the 3.6 liter V6 with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Kind of get a glimpse of the Mojito in the sun. You're also going to get the rock rails, and this also has the cold weather package as well. So you're going to get the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and remote start. It's a really great addition when it's winter time out. All right, for starters, we did a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift front and rear. We went with some 40-inch Toyo mud terrain tires with some KMC, like a matte black face with a polished protection ring. Look really good. Got the EVO Fender Liners. We also performed the American Adventure Labs fender chop, and you're gonna get the LED sequential lights attached to the fender. And one other thing we also did and upgraded, we upgraded some Teraflex Alpine suspension components. And also, in order to fit these 40s on these Gladiators, we also had to push the front axle forward about a ½ an inch from what I was told. And that is just for clearance, so it's not rubbing the fenders. Open up this driver's door and let you guys have a look at the inside. Got your black Napa leather. There's your cold weather package. So your heated steering wheel, heated seats, air conditioning. Got the 12.3 touchscreen display. Open up the driver's back door as well. Really like how that red stitching just follows all the way around. Looks really good. Got your EVO Fender Liners in the rear. Kind of get a glimpse of the stance on this thing. It's got a really nice stance, aggressive stance at that. Gonna get your steel rear bumper with the receiver hitch. And then we mounted up the spare 40-inch tire up in the bed of the vehicle. It's also an AEV Tire Carrier. I mean, really, really sharp looking Jeep. I mean, you are not gonna find any other dealership doing builds quite like this. That's what makes us, such an awesome dealership. But overall, I mean, this is a spectacular looking vehicle. I'm not personally a Jeep guy myself, but this thing is awesome. Really like the stance. I really like the wheels. The color just pops. Kind of take a look at the window sticker while we're here. I know we have a discount on this and we have a little markup from the build, but from the factory, this one was $66,410. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I believe that the for sale price with the build is actually less than the MSRP due to, incentives and, some of the deals we got going on. But wow. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. We got a ton of new and used inventory in currently. We got a lot of builds in the works, and we got a few that are already complete. We actually got our Purple Rain with the polished KMCs right over here on 37s. But yeah, and you can also give us a call, 502-537-1738. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.